Today is the day 5. So we are going to learn 12 principles. Okay. Very important, guys. 12 principles. I can't write. So I will copy paste from previous batch. Okay. I just said there. I will copy paste from this. Okay. Copy paste. So coming to the 12 principles. To the 12 principles. The first principle says that what? Ganesh, can you read it? Okay, Ganesh said some issue, right? Okay, Karthik, can you read it?
I can't see the screen actually.
You cannot
One
see the
second.
screen. Are you sharing the screen,
I
guys?
think my internet. Can
Okay,
others see just for confirmation?
Linda, can you see the screen? Linda, can you see my screen?
Yeah, I can see.
Okay. Ganesh, can you see now?
Yes, can I read? Can I read the first one?
Yeah. You can.
Our highest priority is to satisfy the customer through early and continuous delivery of valuable software.
Yes. What does it mean? Like, you tell me, because
So,
we learned agile methodology, right? Up to now. Just
yeah, yeah,
imagine, right? Okay. I will ultimately tell you what does it mean.
yeah, yeah.
These are very
Uh,
simple,
so, ba-
guys. Very simple.
yeah, yeah.
One line words only. Okay, now one line words. Very simple. No problem in that. Just try to figure it out. I will explain it clear. Okay. Right.
Okay.
Yeah. Tell me, Karthik.
So, so the first point means that we need to satisfy the customer on high priority basis. So basically, the customer should be happy with our dealings and all, and
Not
whatever
dealings.
that project is,
We are not dealing anything. What we are dealing, we are
dealing in the
dealing
sense,
development,
yeah, development, yeah, yeah.
right? Developing
So
a software.
ultimately,
We are
yeah,
developing a,
yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah.
yes. We are not doing any mafia. Okay.
No, no, through this only, this project only or software only, we should try to
Right.
satisfy the customer.
Okay. Right. See, what is our first in the sense highest priority? Customer satisfaction is our highest priority. How the customer will satisfy whatever the sprint, in sprints we are delivering the product, right? If we are taking like a 15 user stories, what they are doing, we are delivering those 15 user stories, right? If we deliver the same thing, then customer will satisfy, right? If we are picking 15 user stories in sprint one and delivering 10 or 8, do you think customer will get satisfied? Redappa?
No,
No.
No.
Will get satisfied is whatever we are picking, right? So just for an example, we went to an restaurant. Okay, we went to a restaurant and we ordered, okay, some mutton biryani. Okay, now he brought chicken biryani. Are you going to satisfy?
no,
Okay, the same thing also happening here. If the customer, when he will get satisfied, if he order mutton biryani, sorry, if you order mutton biryani and he brings mutton biryani, you will ultimately get satisfied. But you didn't like the taste. There also you are not going to satisfy, right? Am I right or wrong, Redappa?
Yeah, that's right, Manoj.
Yes. The thing is, there he said that we need a valuable software. Why valuable software? Whatever he is paying ultimately for the product, for the mutton biryani, you are paying some money, 500 rupees or 600 rupees. That is called the value of the product. When customer will, I mean, coming to IT, when customer will get satisfied, whatever you have developed, that should get work. Then only he will get satisfied. If not, he won't get satisfied. Right? So that is the point. That is the thing. This point is saying our highest priority is to satisfy the customer throughout early and continuous delivery. Okay. So what does it mean by continuous delivery? Same mutton biryani. You ordered mutton biryani, chicken biryani, okay? Some kulchas or mutton kulcha, chicken kulcha, all non-veg items. Okay. One by one, he is delivering to you. You are going to satisfy. Ultimately, you are giving a good tip to the I mean server, right? Am I right or wrong, Ganesh? Ganesh? No, Ganesh is not. Okay. Karthik, what you would say?
No, I didn't say anything, Manoj.
I mean, whatever I have given you the example, are you agree with this or not?
Yes, yes, I understood. Yeah, yeah.
Yes, the same thing, right? If customer gets satisfied only, then only we are getting. I mean, if the customer is satisfied, then only what we are doing, we are getting a very good amounts, right? Good amounts in the sense we are the what do I say? We are getting more and more what is it? Contract, right? The valuable contract, right? If we have a contract of 3 years, if we are delivering very good, what he will do? He will increase the contract, right? If we are not delivering the valuable software, what he will do? He won't with us. He will look for another company. Am I right or wrong? Any doubts in this first point,
Yes,
guys?
Manoj. Yeah, correct, correct. I understood. Yeah.
Yes. Okay. Coming to the second point, who read the first point? Who read this?
Yeah, yeah, I read. Second part, someone else can read. Yeah.
Karthik or Ridappa?
First point, I read, Manoj. Yeah.
I means what?
Karthik, Karthik.
Karthik. Okay. Ridappa, can you see the screen?
Yeah, yeah, I can see.
Yeah, yeah. Read the second point.
Welcome changing requirements even late in a development, agile process, awareness.
Harness,
What is that? Awareness or
harness.
awareness change for the customer's competitive advantage.
Right. Seriously, up to now, on previous day, whatever the examples I have given, everything we can easily work on these items. Okay. See here, what I said yesterday. If the customer wants to have a change in the middle of the sprint or in the I mean before the sprint, what we are doing, we are agreeing with the change. Am I right or wrong? Even in the late in the development in the sense, in the middle of the sprint, the customer, I mean the client wants to remove 2 items and he wants to add 2 items. For that, what we are doing, we are checking it first, right? Is this is going to work or not? Am I right or wrong? For that only, I have given a very good example yesterday, like on a time basis, right? On a time basis, I said that we have to work on this. We have to work on these tickets currently. After that, what we are doing, guys? we are mainly focusing for the another tickets, right? So here also the same thing. First, at any time, we are welcoming the requirements. If there is any change, we are ready to change, even in the late in the development also. Why we are doing that? Why client needs to change in the middle of these things? Because just consider there is a Flipkart. Okay, Flipkart is there and Amazon is there. Who is the competitor, guys? Now, who is competitor to whom? Karthik?
Both are competitors, right?
Both
To
are
each other.
competitors. For Amazon, Flipkart is competitor, and for Flipkart, Amazon is the competitor.
Correct.
If, if Amazon is offering more, more and more offers, what will Flipkart will do? Flipkart, Flipkart also try to offer, give more offers, right? Like what we can say, Diwali offers. Now, see, Big Bang Diwali. Okay. Now, by this Diwali offer, Flipkart is providing some deals. Now, if Amazon is not providing those deals, what will happen? These customers will go to Flipkart. For that reason, what is this point says the guys, we are having a competitive advantage. Competitive. Who is competitive for us? The next website, like Amazon or Flipkart is competitor for us. If you are not doing any particular percentage on a products, are we going to have an advantage or a disadvantage? Ganesh, Ganesh, can you hear me? No, Ganesh is not there. Okay, you will join. Okay, Redappa, did you understand?
Yes, yes.
Yes. Karthik?
Yes, Manoj, yeah.
Yes. If you are not competitive with any other, so just consider we are having only Amazon. No, whatever deals he kept, we are going to buy them, right? For comparison, what we are doing, we are doing for the whoever gives a good deals, we are going to buy in that product, right? So that is the thing or matter. Okay, now the second point is that we have to welcome changing requirements even in the late development. Agile process harness change for the customer, competitive advantages. Okay, any doubts in this? So guys, mute yourself there, mute yourself. Okay. Right. Coming to the third point, what does this third point says? Deliver working software frequently from a couple of weeks to 12 months with the preference to a shorter time scale. What does this point say, guys? We have to deliver software, whatever the developed software, we have to deliver that in a couple of weeks to couple of months. How, Manoj? How in the sense, previously, how the sprint works, guys? What I said, if sprint is there, the sprint length should be 1 week, yeah, 1 week or 2 weeks or 3 weeks or 4 weeks, right? What if we have a 5 weeks? Then it is not an agile methodology. In agile methodology, we are having only 4 weeks of sprint. Okay, either we can pick either we can pick 1 week or 2 weeks or 3 weeks or 4 weeks. In these four, we have to choose only one. If the PO says that we have to work for 3 weeks, one sprint is equals to three sprints. Okay, if the sprint is 3 weeks, what we are going to do for sprint one, we are doing 3 weeks of sprint. Okay, Not only sprint one. For every sprint, what we are doing, we are working for 3 weeks of sprint. Okay? Sprint 2, 3 weeks. Sprint 3, 3 weeks. Sprint 100, 3 weeks. Right? Manoj, okay, understood. Now here the third point says that couple of weeks to couple of months. What does it mean by month? Okay, month in the sense how many weeks we are going to have, guys, in a month? Adapa, 4 weeks or 5 weeks?
4.
4 weeks.
Yeah,
Have you ever seen anywhere we are going to have a 5 weeks in a month?
yeah, sometimes.
Sometimes when, guys?
Yeah, might as well like
See,
4.5 week. Now 31
four
days.
and a half. See, it's not like a complete week, right?
Yeah.
31 days. See, uh, how you are calculating? Just consider 31 days. Okay, 31 divided by 7. Right? We don't have a continuous 50 week. Am I right or wrong?
Yeah.
And how we are calculating? From Monday to we are calculating. Okay. So Manoj, if you calculate like this is like a previous month. This is going to be previous month. This is not included in the current month. Okay. And if it's gone like a Friday, up to here it is going to be this month. If this first came to Wednesday, then we are not calculating it. Okay, that is going to be the next class. Okay, guys. Now,
Yeah, Manoj, yeah.
so how we are doing, guys, in a sprint week, it is going to be in a week or in a month. What he is saying in this shorter scale, okay, in a couple of months to couple of weeks, what he is saying, deliver working software. If you deliver those working software frequently, what it is going to do? We are going to satisfy the customer. Okay, if you deliver the work, ultimately the customer is going to be satisfied. Okay, any doubts now?
No, no.
It's understood, yeah.
Okay. So coming to the fourth point, business people and developers must work together daily throughout the project. Why? Okay, business people and developers must work together daily, daily throughout the project. Okay, what does it means? It means that if, hey, hi Ganesh, Ganesh, can you hear me?
Manoj, is it audible?
Ganesh, we can't able to hear you. Okay, okay, guys, please be unmuted. Okay, see here, guys, what it is saying, business people and developers must work together daily throughout the project. Why business people will work, Manoj? Okay, we are having developers and we are having testers. So these guys will work on a project. So why business people required here? Why? Because if the business people in the sense product owner here. If the product owner also work with us on a daily basis, if the developers or testing team required any help from the product owner, like if they want to understand more about the requirement, right? If the business people like a product owner is going to stay with us, then he can convey the message or he can clear his doubt uh, clearly and within a short span of time that is going to be cleared and he can work, right? Or else if the business people is not working with us, so we just raise the ticket or we just think to, okay, in our outlook we just we need to the business product owner. We need some adjustments on this ticket. Can you help on this? Now, product owner has seen that mail in the evening. Okay. Now, if the business people comes to meeting in the evening and the developer just ping a mail in the morning, how much of time has been given, guys? It's around 6 hours, right? How much of loss we are having? So for that reason, if the business people work together, it is going to be a towards the project. If the business people work together towards the project, we can complete the project uh, on time. Okay. Any doubts on this fourth point, guys? Karthik, Vedappa,
Yeah, understood.
Ganesh?
Bhavya. Fine, fine.
Okay. Ganesh, I think you don't have a good signal today. Am I right or wrong? Just type here, Ganesh. Okay. Type your answer. Just type here. Okay, because I can't able to hear you. Ganesh. Okay. I think you don't have a good network. Okay. Can you hear him, guys?
No.
No. Okay. Okay, Ganesh. Please mute, Ganesh. Ganesh, please mute up. We are getting it off.
No, now it is audible, Manoj.
Yeah, good, 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 good. Now it is good. Did you understand the fourth
Okay.
point, Ganesh?
Yes, yes, yes.
Okay. Moving to the fifth point. Abhishek. Hi, Abhishek.
Yeah, hi.
Yeah, too late, huh?
Yeah, yeah, I'm a bit busy.
Okay, no worries. Just explaining the four principles, Abhishek. Okay. Just completed the four.
Yes, yes.
Now,
Yeah,
you can watch the recording for the 4 points. Okay.
yeah, sure.
Yeah, yeah. Now I'm explaining the fifth point. Okay. Now here, what is this 50 points is, guys? Build projects. Sorry, build projects around motivated individuals, give them the environment and support they need, and trust them to get the job. Okay. What does this point say? That? This point says that just for an example, one developer left the organization. Okay, one developer left the organization, and we have recruited a new developer. Okay, do you think whenever he joins in the organization, do you think that new developer will collaborate with us like in the previous organization, or it is going to be a taking, or it is going to take time? Abhishek,
Yeah, take a bit of time.
he will take a bit of time, right? Why? Because he will be in a nervous mode because new people, new organization, new supporting staff, new manager, right? How they will behave, right? For that reason, what we have to do, we have to motivate that person, right? How we are motivating? Come on, come on, come on. Like that, huh? No. What we are doing is we are motivating him like having a conversation meetings or any team building activities, right? For that, what we are doing, that is called an environment. We are creating an environment and we are giving more, more trust to them also. If we trust him, what he will do, he will try to collaborate with us and he will stick with us. Like whatever, how he behave in his previous organization, he will behave with us in a short span of time. And with this collaboration, what we can do, guys, this previous developer has left the organization. The same work also he will do now. But the previous developer did like just consider 7 hours. Okay, not 7 hours, just consider 30% of work maybe. If we give the new developer to the same environment, he can do the same job, right? Am I right or wrong, Karthik?
Yes, right.
Right. So that is the main reason. What this point is that we have to motivate him. Okay, motivate him like you are not an individual person. We are a group of people working for a project. Right? We have to give that environment to trust that person and make the job done. Okay, Ganesh?
Yes, 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 yes.
Okay, right. Coming to the sixth point. Abhishek, can you read the sixth point? Abhishek, are you there on? Okay, okay. Ganesh, can you read the fourth point? Sorry, sixth point.
But the most efficient and effective method of conveying information to and within a development team is face-to-face conversation.
Right? Just remove everything else. Face to face conversation. Okay. Now, what does it mean by face to face conversation? Okay. If I'm giving the training in an institute, okay, you are on a bench. You five people are on a bench. Okay. Now I'm teaching you the. Now I'm teaching in the whiteboard. Now that is called the face to face conversation. Am I right or wrong, guys? Ganesh?
Yes, yes,
Yes. Right. So just consider this scenario. I'm teaching in a virtual mode, right? I'm not teaching in a face-to-face conversation, right? How I can ensure that whatever I'm saying to you, are you listening or not, right? Karthik?
Can you come back 1 second, Manoj?
Yes. If I'm conveying some messages, right? We are doing a
Yeah,
virtual meeting. Here, this meeting is a virtual meeting, right? This is
yeah, yeah,
not
yeah.
any face-to-face conversation. How
Yeah.
can I ensure that what I'm trying to convey you, are you getting or not? Are you understood or not? How can I ensure that?
By asking the
Because
question again.
yes, I asking the questions. Just consider
Yeah,
I'm having 10 people. I can't able to ask 10 people, right?
yeah.
So what is the main purpose is I need you to turn on your video cam, right? So that is called
Yeah.
so that I can ensure that okay, these people are sitting in the class, not on the bed, not leaning on the bed, keeping the pillow on there. Some people, what you will do now? See,
Yeah.
there is a funny conversations also. Okay, uh, in the afternoon time, what we'll do now? My team, I'm not saying that. Some people will keep earphones in their ears and they will sleep. Okay, whenever if there is any meeting, okay, if the meeting is like 100 people or 200 people. Okay, just consider what the people will do. The people will sleep because that meeting will go for 2 to 3 hours. Okay, there won't be any questions, right? Everyone has to attend that meeting. It should not work. Okay, what the people will do? The people will log in and keep the earphones and they will sleep. Okay, is that a good behavior,
No,
Abhishek?
Manoj.
No, right? That is not good.
No.
So we are going to habituate for that reason. What this point is that face-to-face conversation is the best method to convey the information whatever I want to pass. Okay, then that it is going to be very effective because he will understand, right? Because he is not sleeping. I can say that some of you people are leaning on a bed, right? Or some people will sit and some people will lie on a bed and right? Many things will do. So for that reason, what I'm doing, my conversation in the sense, I will try to ask you questions, right?
Yes, Manoj. Yeah.
Yes. So that is this point, sir. If you, whatever the message you want to convey, that should be in a effective way. If you want to make that effective, make a face-to-face contact. Okay? Why, Manoj? Why we need face-to-face contact? Because if the development team understood only, they can work. If they don't understood, they can't able to work. They will raise another time. Manoj, can you? I didn't understand on that day. Can you repeat that? How can I repeat, guys? Because I'm not the person, right? Who will repeat those questions? Ultimately, client. Right? Every time client will come? No. In a sprint, he will come at once or twice. Okay, for that reason, what it is saying, make a face-to-face contact and ask many doubts to the development team so that they are going to have a information. Based upon that information, they are going to work. Understood, guys? Ganesh, understood? Venkappa, Karthik, unmute yourself.
Understood. Yeah, yeah, understood. Yeah.
Okay. Venkappa, read the 7 point. Venkappa, 7th point. Is there or not, Venkappa? Venkappa, you are on mute. Okay. Venkappa, read 8th point because that is very key. Okay, Karthik, read 7th point.
Right now, I'm not able to see the screen.
Okay, working software is the primary measure of progress.
Okay. Venkappa, you can't
Yeah,
able to
now I
see.
can see it.
Venkappa, please read
Now
7th.
I'm able to see it.
Okay, okay, Venkappa. Okay. Yeah, who wrote this? This software is the primary measure of the progress.
Right now.
Okay. What does it mean by? Ultimately, what client requires the working software. What is his primary measure? Primary measure in things. What is his first priority? Is working software. For that, what we have to do? We have to work for the client requirements. Okay? Understood this point, guys? Very simple point. Ganesh, understood?
So that means all the principles is based on the customer requirement and customer
Sure.
delivered on time.
Yes.
Okay.
It says that how we
Without
have to
without any
behave.
escalation, without any escalation. Yes.
Yes, yes. We don't want any escalations, right? Why we don't require why we don't want any escalations? At the end of the year, to have an increment, they will see the escalations, right?
No, that is employee point of view are saying the increment, but ultimately we need a business, right?
Yes, not us. The client required the business. Sorry, the company required the business, right? So if the company required a business, what we have to do? We have to work in a measured way. Whatever measured way in the sense, we are working in a time basis. In that time, whatever the work we have given, we have to complete on that day. Don't think that, okay, there is a 1 hour of time, we will go to home and we will try to complete that. No, that should not be done. Okay, that should be done in the office only. Then we have to go home. Okay, okay, Ganesh? Hello? Ganesh? Hello?
Ah, Manoj, yes,
Yeah, did you get it?
yes, yes.
Okay, right. Redappa, sorry, Redappa, can you see the screen now? Redappa, Abhishek, read the eighth point,
Yes.
Abhishek.
Yeah, actually, I'm having some network issues. I'm traveling, so a lot. I'm getting dropped off or
Okay,
broken by.
okay. Just listen, okay, no problem. Karthik,
Sure.
read the eighth point.
Okay, so agile process promotes sustainable development. The
Sustainable.
sponsors developers, yeah, sustainable development. The sponsors, developers, and users should be able to maintain a constant pace indefinitely.
Okay. What it is saying guys, agile process promotes sustainable development. Okay? In a sense, what this process, it is a repetitive process. Agile methodology is a repetitive. It is an iterative way. We are working on a sprint wise, completing the sprint, and we are coming back. And what we are doing sprint, second sprint. We after completing the second sprint, we are going for the third sprint, right? Next, the sponsors, developers, and users should be maintain a constant pace. Constant pace in the sense what? In the current sprint, okay, in the current sprint, first sprint, we have taken 10 tickets and we have completed 10 tickets. Okay. In the second sprint, we have taken 5 tickets and we have completed 5 tickets. In the third sprint, we have taken 15 tickets and we have completed 15 tickets. Now, my question to Ganesh, are we in a constant pace or not? If yes, why? If no, why? Ganesh, there? Ganesh, can you hear me? Okay. Karthik, can you say the answer?
So the question was continuously. I mean, there should be development continuously. You're saying, right?
Yeah. See, what it is saying is we need a constant pace. Okay.
Yeah,
Whatever we are developing, we need a constant pace. The thing is, in the
yeah,
sprint one, I have taken 10 tickets. I have completed
correct.
10 tickets. This sprint
Yes.
2, I have reduced it to 5 tickets. Okay. But I
Okay.
completed 5 tickets. In the sprint
Yeah.
3, I have taken 15 tickets. And I completed 15 tickets. Now my question is,
Okay.
did I am in a constant pace or not? If yes, why? If not, why?
So in terms of completing the number of tickets in each sprints, I can say that they're maintaining the constant, I mean, correct consistency. But in terms of number of tickets, because in the beginning it was 10, the sprint two it became 5, and then again it became 15. So I think there's a difference in that.
Difference
So
in the
in
sense,
terms,
some people might be sick,
yeah,
right?
yeah.
So that is also one of the case, right? I will explain in
But
Jira that cases.
I think in terms of getting things done, I think they're successful.
Okay, your answer is successful. Okay, right. Redappa, what you will say? Speak out, guys. Speak out. Don't, no need to worry. No one knows your face. Okay, no one knows your face. No problem in that. If it is right or wrong, no problem. Okay, I have also learned like this only. No problem in that. I just when I was a starter, okay, I don't know anything. I learned these things like a hell. I got training from almost 3 to 4 people. Okay, you are very lucky. So that I am saying all the 4 examples to you at a time. Okay, come on, guys. Redappa, come on. Say your answer. Don't be on mute. Abhishek. Okay, I think the Redappa is feeling a little bit shy. What about you? You are not unmuting yourself.
Hello?
Yeah, Ganesh. Please say the answer.
Yeah, Bakas.
Yeah, tell me.
No, actually, it should be in constant phase is required.
Constant pace is required. What is your answer? Yes or no? What I have given you
Yeah,
the
is it
example.
yes only? Yes only. Because
Yes or no?
because why
Why?
we
Why?
need a constant phase? Why is required means customer's requirement is like that. Hence, we required to maintain so that to achieve the target to complete the
Okay.
tickets.
Complete the tickets. If just consider I have taken in a constant pace in the sprint 10 tickets. Okay. In the sprint to
Correct.
5 tickets. I have reduced it, right? That is not a constant
Hello.
pace, right? How can we say that
Okay.
it's a constant pace?
No, whatever we are committed to the customer for 10 tickets, we need to complete the 10 tickets. If it is in 5 tickets sprint 2, you have to complete the 5 tickets. This is
Yes,
the
yes,
constant space.
yes, very good, very good, very good.
No,
Right.
without any back to again to the product backlog.
Yes, yes, yes. We are not moving anything to the product backlog, right? What we have
Yes,
committed, that is called a constant pace. Many people are thinking
correct.
that in the current sprint we have taken 10 tickets, right? But that 10 tickets, the total time is 500 hours. Okay. In the next sprint, we have taken only 5. For that 5 tickets, the total time is 500. Here, the tickets is not mattering for us. The capacity is matters, right? The completion is matters. Okay, now, did you understood about the 8th point, guys? What does it
Yes.
mean by constant pace? Abhishek?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay.
That means that the number of hours should be matched instead of
Yes.
tickets.
Yes. Instead of tickets, the number of hours should be matched. Okay. How we are going to match the hours, Manoj? In the sense, we are having for each and every ticket, we are having different time, guys. You know,
Different
different time.
time.
Because see, I gave you a biryani. Okay, I gave a biryani to Karthik and Ganesh, Abhishek, and Reddy. Right? Who, who is going to complete first? Right. I said that Karthik will complete it first at around 15 minutes. Okay. Next completed Ganesh, that is for 25 minutes. Next, Abhishek completed, that is for 30 minutes, and Reddappa completed in 35 minutes. Okay, considering here the one plate biryani portion is same, right, Ganesh?
Yes.
Okay, one plate of biryani to you, okay, Reddappa and Karan. Why it has taken different time, guys? Because based upon your stomach capacity, you are going to eat it, right? Some people will eat less. Okay, some people will eat less, some people will eat more. Right? But also the same thing. Some people will eat fast. Some people will eat very slow, dead slow, like me. Okay. I want to utilize my whole 45 minutes of time lunch break. Okay. For that, what I will do, I like to chit chat with my colleagues and I will eat one by spoon, one by spoon. Okay. One spoon for around 2 to 3 minutes. I will eat like that. I like to chit chat with my teammates. Some people, what he will do, he will mix and he will teach. So here also the same estimations for each and every ticket won't be same, guys. Each and every ticket won't be same. If you consider AM2 ticket will complete in 20 hours. We are not going to think that AM6 will complete in 20 hours. This ticket might take 100 hours, right? That's the reason the time will differentiate the ticket. Cannot? Did you understood, guys? Any doubts on this?
No, no. Actually, I want to know in Jira tool where you are finding these hours. It is there in the.
Yes, we will learn. Okay,
Acha.
I will teach you. No problem in that. Okay, don't bother about it. Okay, so I will teach very clearly. We are having each and every ticket. We are having. Okay, for an example, I will give you something. Okay, for your what was I say, for your sake, I will give you some. See here, 2733. Okay, I'm opening 27th ticket. Okay, you can see here, you will get 27th ticket. And now it is going. Okay, MYN 27. Right? Now, what I'm doing is in more fields. See here, we are having a more fields drop down. This is yes. In this, we are having original estimate. Okay, here I'm giving 5 hours H. This is called time, guys. 5 hours. To complete this ticket, we need 5 hours. Now I'm going to the 33 ticket. Okay, for 33 ticket, it is going to take like 100 hours. 100 H. Okay, if I give tick mark, now it is going to be in a 2 weeks to 4 hours. I will explain these things. Okay, what I did, 2 tickets, 2 different times. Am I right or wrong? Ganesh?
Yes.
Right? Like that, every ticket won't be same price. For that reason, some sprints we are picking 20 tickets, some sprints we are picking less tickets. Okay, Ganesh?
Okay.
Yes. And coming to the ninth point, continuous attention of technical excellence and good designs enhances agility. Can anyone say about this point, guys? Abhishek, can you try on this? Abhishek? Abhishek? Okay, Abhishek said the reason traveling, right? I'm sorry, Abhishek. Uh, Karthik, can you try on this?
Ninth point, right? Continuous attention to technical excellence and good design.
What does it mean?
The point. So here, regarding the product, so continuous attention has to be given for the technical part, basically developers.
Hmm?
And no, basically what I feel means the developers and the product managers. So basically business analysts. So there should be good coordination between them.
Oh, whatever you said that, everything is true. But here it is saying that good designs. Design in the sense where in the project, right?
Yeah, yeah,
In technical excellence, whatever you said that is required for the development, right? If we
correct.
are having
Yeah,
a good technical team, then only we are going
yes,
to have a good designs, right?
yeah,
Agility in the sense what? Agility in the sense it is like a sharpness. Just as when we are having a sharpness of developing a website, right? For that reason, if you develop a good builds, sorry, a good product, what we can say, Amazon. See here, Amazon is like colorful thing, right here. By seeing this,
yeah,
what we are doing, we are getting attracted. Am I right or wrong? We are getting attracted, right? Ganesh, we are
Yes.
getting attracted. See, by seeing this, I want to buy a mobile. Okay, what is this mobile? What is this? IQ. IQ Neo Penna. Which brand is this, guys? India brand only? IQ. Okay, I don't know that. I don't know. Okay. Samsung Galaxy S25 is there. I'm not sure about that product. Okay. Samsung Galaxy S25 is there. See here, if this product is in black and white, okay, just consider this product is in black and white. Okay, whatever we can see, we are not. I can't able to see the colors here. What I can see, black and white color only I can see. Do you just think that this is the okay? We will go for color guys. I have the one plus plus. It is we got 10 cases. Okay, one plus. See, there are three colors, guys. Okay, just consider this is gray, white, white. Okay, everything is in white color. What can I do like that? We will check in here. Okay, here we see. We are having for three colors. Okay, let us come down. There are 20 colors. Okay, just consider we are having 3 to 4 colors here. This is purple, this is silver, next one is gold, the next one is red, right? If I don't have a good designs like color designs, what I can see everything is in a white and black and white. Now, do you think anyone can come to this? Can anyone will buy these products? Ganesh, do you buy this type of products?
No, without design, okay. Without seeing, how I can purchase.
Now, seeing only you can purchase. You want to see the color. Basically, you want to like the color, right? Whatever the features, all these things. Without liking the color, can you buy? No, right? For that reason, what he's saying, if we need good designs for agility. Agility in the sense what? To attract the
Output,
customers. To
correct.
attract the customers, right? And it will be a continuous attention also. What does it makes? It makes a continuous attention. See how many times I made. I have given you the same example, guys. I came here, Amazon, Amazon, Amazon. From the day one onwards, I'm coming to Amazon. I'm not good in this website. I will purchase in Flipkart also. Same for an example, right? Here, these are all the good designs. If you don't have these good designs, do you think I'm going to buy these things? No, right? So that is the main reason we need good designs. Okay. Any questions on this point, guys? Any questions? Karthik?
Understood from you. Understood
Okay.
from my side.
Okay. Ganesh?
Yes, understood, understood.
Okay. Abhishek is in traveling. You can confirm with him later. Okay. The 10th point says that simplicity, guys. Okay. Whatever you are doing, okay, you should be in a simple way. It should be in a simple way. Okay. It should not be in a more attractive. It should be in attractive. It should not be in a over attractive. Okay. If you click anything, what does it mean for us? Okay. Just see here. I will give you an example. See, if I click on this mobile, okay, if I click on this mobile, now it came and asking me to log in. Okay, to log in. Okay, I just logged in. After logged in, I want to check the color. Okay, what colors are there? I want to check the color. Okay, I really like this. Um, okay, I really like this white color. I clicked on this. Now what it is saying? Re-login again. Okay, I have some anxiety issues. I want to check this phone. Okay, I re-log in again. Now I want to check what is the price of this 256. I clicked on 256 GB and it is saying that we have a security issues. Re-log in again. Okay, I just re-logged in again. Now I want to check 512. Now it is saying 74,000. Before 74,000, it is saying that for security issues, re-log in again. Do you think this is simple work or complex work, guys? Right?
It's a simple work.
Simple. Ah.
No, no, no. Sorry, sorry.
That's simple. Ah.
Complex. Sorry.
It's very complex.
Why complex means you are making the various design, na?
Okay, I'm giving various design on it. Why made you that as a complex? Because every time you are giving login, right?
Correct.
That made you complex. Why? What
Okay.
is saying that whatever you are trying to develop, make it as a simplicity. Okay, Karthik, you understood? Karthik,
Yeah, yeah, understood. Yeah, can you explain it once again in a simple way? I missed because of internet connectivity. Yeah.
okay.
You're
Simplicity
telling
is
about the
nothing.
login, right? Yeah, yeah.
Yes, yes, yes. Okay, I will come. Okay, the
Yeah.
simplicity is nothing more. The agile methodology is saying that make the whatever you are developing the project, make it simple. Don't make it as a complex way. How? It depends. Just consider. I want to buy this mobile. Okay, I want to buy this mobile. For that reason, what I did is I just took here. Okay, I just clicked here. Now it is asking me login. Okay, I just logged in. After logging in, it has been showed me the price. Okay, I like this price. The next thing is I want to check the colors. Okay, I really like this color. Okay, green color. If I click on this, what it is saying, just log in again for terms and conditions. Sorry, for authentication. Okay, I logged in again. Now it is saying 53,000. Now I want to have the storage. I want to check 256 GB how much it is. I clicked on 256 GB. Now it is saying that please log in again. Okay. Now I just logged in. I checked the 60,000. Okay. Now 256 GB is 60,000. Now I want to check 512 GB. Okay. If I click on 512 GB, what it is saying? It is again saying that login again. Do you think this? Do you think that is this complex or a simple? Karthik, Karthik,
Yeah, understood. Yeah, understood.
yeah, right. So
Yeah.
whatever you
Yes, I
try to.
understood. Yeah. Understood.
Okay, okay,
Yeah, understood. Yeah.
okay, guys. Okay, okay. What the agile methodology is saying is make it simple. Okay, no need to worry about it. Okay, some people in some websites we can see, right. If you click on this, okay, some butterflies will come out. Okay, some butterflies will come out. Uh, After a few seconds, these butterflies will go. Then only we can select another product. If you click on this, okay, now crackers will come. Okay, in this crackers, we can't able to select any other thing. After disappearing of crackers, we can select another product. That is called wasting time. That is a complexity. For that reason, what it is saying, make it simple. Okay, now, any doubts on this?
Yeah, yeah, understood. Yeah.
Okay. Coming to the 11th point, try to use good architectures. Architectures in the sense, good designs. Okay, good requirements. Okay, and give them to the self-organizing teams. In Agile methodology, self-organizing teams are called as development team guys. Okay, if you give the good architecture and requirements to the development team, what they will do? They will try to develop those. Okay, guys. Now,
Yeah, Manoj.
Yes.
coming to the 12th point, at regular intervals, the team reflects on how to become more effective and tunes and adjusts its behavior accordingly. This point says that whenever, just as when you are a fresher in the organization, okay, what you will do? You can't able to work with a hands on, right? You don't know anything. What you will do? You will learn basics. Okay. Now you have a 5 years of experience. Still you do the basics, Karthik.
No, no.
What we have to do? We have to
Basics and all
adjust
we will
ourselves.
avoid. So because we have experience,
Yeah.
right?
We are experienced based upon your
Ah,
experience. But in the sense at regular intervals means in the sprint one you have completed 10 story points. Okay, 10 story points you don't understand now. Just consider you are working on 10 tickets. Okay, in the sprint two you are working on 10 tickets. In the sprint three, what we have to do? We have to become more effective, right? You have a hands-on experience. Then what it is saying, we have to tunes in the sense, for the radius we are going to have a regulator, right? We are going to turn up and down, right? You have to adjust yourself, okay? You have to
ah.
work little bit faster. That is the thing this 12th point says. Any doubts on these 12 points, guys? Abhishek?
I understood, Manoj. Yeah.
Okay, Ganesh? Any doubts, Ganesh?
Mm, no, 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 I don't have.
Okay, okay, Abhishek. Ganesh, do you have any doubts? I didn't get you. Didn't see what you said.
No, no.
Okay, guys. Then we can stop the recording here.